Oh no! There's a dragon attacking Velocity City! What are we gonna do? We need a hero that could save us! Whoa! Oh my gosh! He destroyed that car! What are we gonna do?
I'm going to save him.
You can do it!
Okay, I'm going to shoot him. 3, 2, 1. Let's go.
Oh no! It was a miss! What are we gonna do? We need somebody who can help us! We need somebody who can help us! We gotta try it again. Oh no! He's gonna destroy the whole city! Yeah! We've taken down the dragon! Velocity City is saved! Woohoo!
Like and subscribe.
Beaster Squad out!